So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll show you how to restrict editing in Microsoft Word, whether you want your file to be read only or only allow people to fill out a form. So super useful for contracts, school templates, and more. So let's get started. So start by opening the Word document first if you the document that you want to work on. Then once you open it, let's make it read only so others can view it but not change anything. So the first thing you'll do is you go to File. Once you click on File, it will take you to this section. Then click on Info. Once you click on Info, there's this section that says Protect Documents. Then you can choose. Now let's say we click on this, then here you can choose the read only, always open read only, like this. Once you click on it, it will immediately set your document into a read only mode, but it's quite editable, so you can go ahead and edit it. Now, fully restrict editing. We can fully restrict the editing by you go to review up here, click on it. Once you click on review, there's this section that says restricts editing. So this is section. You click on it, then it will give you this section. You can see you have that section. So in this side panel, you can check allow only this type of editing in the document. So formatting restriction, editing restriction, and this editing restriction. So you can click on it like that. You can see it's giving you everyone. So choose no changes, read only, and like for example here it's giving you read only, so you can fill in the forms, no changes, comments, track changes. So let's say for example pick the no changes read only, then click yes. Once you're done, you click yes, then allow the form filing only. You can also click on allow the form. You can also remove the restriction by going to the restriction screen here, then go to the review the way I've shown you. After you've restricted it, go to this section, then stop protection. You can go to this section where you can just remove that section, then click off. Then you can go back to your document and still edit it. Let's see if it's editable. You can edit it and type in anything you want, and yes, and that is how you can restrict editing in Microsoft Word. And that is how you can restrict editing in Microsoft Word, whether you want fully read-only access or form-only access. Now you've got full control. So smash the like button if this helped. Subscribe for more easy word tips, and comment if you want more tutorial on form fields or fillable PDF text. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.